We're officially in week 3 of the 31-day KDP challenge. By now, you've laid a strong foundation and designed both the interior and cover of your book. This time, it's time to bring everything together for your book on KDP. So we're going to be tackling everything to do with getting your book uploaded. So this week we are going to be focusing more on the technical side of publishing, and here is what we're going to be covering. We're going to be setting up our book details, including title, subtitle and description. We're going to ensure that we're choosing the right categories and keywords, uploading our interior and cover files, and setting the price and publishing our book. Do not worry if this feels at all overwhelming. I'm going to walk you through each step, and by the end of this week, you'll have a fully uploaded book ready for review by Amazon. So let's break it down day by day. Day 15, we are going to be crafting a compelling title and subtitle. Your book's title and subtitle are your first impression on your potential readers. So today, brainstorm a title that's clear, descriptive and grabs attention. Use your subtitle to explain the book's purpose. So for example, a daily gratitude journal might be the title. The subtitle might be something along the lines of prompts and reflections to cultivate a positive mindset in just 5 minutes a day. Day 16, we are going to be writing our book description. Your book's description is your sales pitch. It needs to hook readers and clearly explain what they'll gain from your book. Use bullet points to make it easy to read and highlight the key benefits. So again, as an example, start with a question or a bold statement. Highlight the problem that your book solves and explain what readers will get, and end with a call to action. So let me know down in the comments, what is the main benefit of your book? Day 17, we are going to be selecting our categories and our keywords. So categories and keywords are crucial for helping readers find your book. So spend today researching the best ones for your niche. You can use tools like Amazon's research bar or Publisher Rocket to find high traffic, low competition options. So example categories for a planner might be non-fiction, self-help, time management, or non-fiction, business and money, small business. I personally find the categories are a really tricky part to find and to get right. So let me know down in the comments if you've had any kind of groundbreaking discoveries. Day 18, we are going to be uploading your book interior. So it's time to upload your interior file. So log into your KDP dashboard, go to create new title and upload your PDF. Double check that your file meets Amazon specifications, so there's no bleeds, errors or missing pages. And pro tip, use Amazon's previewer tool to catch out any of those issues before submitting. Let me know, did you run into any issues whilst you were uploading your file? If you want us to help troubleshoot, just drop me a comment. Day 19, we are uploading the cover file. So next up, your cover, make sure it's saved as a PDF and it fits like the cover template dimensions. Upload it and preview how it looks on the book. Adjust as needed to ensure that everything aligns perfectly. Now let me know down in the comments, did your cover look as good as you imagined? I would love to hear your thoughts on this, because sometimes it's a bit different to what you kind of saw in your head. Sometimes to get around this, I will re-look at my cover when I do like mock-ups and things like that. Day 20, we are going to be setting our price. Now pricing can be tricky, but here's a simple rule. Start with a competitive price, research similar books in your niche and aim for a price point that balances affordability with value. So as a bit of a rule of thumb, journals and planners often range from around $6.99 to around $12.99. And you do need to consider Amazon's royalty rates when you're setting up your price. There is a minimum that they will allow you to charge. So let me know, what sort of price points are you looking at? Let us know and let's get some feedback going. It's great that we can all really support each other here in the comments. So day 21. Let's submit our book for review. You have done it. Today, hit that publish button and submit your book for Amazon's review process. It typically takes around 24 to 72 hours to approve. Once approved, you can decide whether or not your book will be live and ready for customers, or whether or not you want to receive an author copy to review it in person first. So let me know, how does it feel to finally submit your book? Share your excitement with the group and allow us to celebrate with you. So by the end of week 3, your book has been uploaded. It's ready for review, and this is such a huge milestone, and I'm so proud of how far you have come. So let's celebrate your progress. If you've been following along but haven't officially joined the challenge yet, it is not too late. Just simply subscribe to this channel, drop me a comment and let me know your commitment. I'm also sending out daily email updates, giving you a bit more detail on each of the daily steps, as well as publishing a short every single day. So make sure that you save this playlist so you can keep revisiting. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope that you're enjoying this series, and I cannot wait to see you all next time. See you. Bye.